Hello there, I am Mink here. Let us take you through the cataloging process in this video to start with as a new vendor. We believe in the authenticity of products and hence this robust process needs to be followed. As soon as commercial starts, we suggest parallelly you should start with the cataloging process as well. Once you receive training modules, which will have training videos and required documents from the vendor onboarding team. All new vendors should follow this process of taking approval of the first 2 lots, which will have 10 to 15 styles in each lot, so that we can guide you with our imagery requirements, production information, and cataloging processes. But hey, you should note that Google form will have to be filled for taking approval of first 2 lots. Now, let's look at how to get the complete new vendor cataloging process. If the commercial is still in progress, please submit only cataloging images of 10 to 15 styles via shared Google form for review. Based on the feedback, please make the suggested changes in the images by reshooting or editing them in your own studio. You can also opt for Myntra Partner Studio, or you can also opt for other studio. You can even opt for Myntra Assured Shoots, the process of which will be explained later in upcoming videos. Once the images are approved, please wait for the commercial to complete and get Partner Portal credential. And once the credentials are shared, submit the attribute sheet, which will be an Excel sheet in which you have filled the product details, along with these approved images for final approval via Google form. Once both are approved by the cataloging team, you can go ahead and submit these styles via Partner Portal for final cataloging. Now, if the commercial is already done and you have got the Partner Portal credential, then you can submit the attribute sheet and cataloging images via Google form at a go and follow the same procedure as mentioned previously for the approval. But hey, in case you are opting for MAS shoot, you have to take approval only for the attribute sheet since the images are going to be shot in the Myntra studio itself. Once the attribute sheet is approved, you will also have to sign off an agreement to go ahead with MAS shoot. And once the agreement is signed off, you can upload the sheet for the shoot. Team Myntra will create Myntra style IDs and SO will be raised. SO can be downloaded from the Partner Portal itself and ship the sample products for the shoot as per instructions on the mentioned address in SO. Myntra team will shoot the products and make the styles active. Raw and edited images will also be shared and invoices will be generated in the subsequent month and photo shoot charges will be adjusted to the vendor sales account. And the process will end here. Once first 2 lots are successfully uploaded and styles are live, you can now start uploading lots directly without taking approval. Further, in case of any question or confusion regarding images or models, please take help from our experts and connect with us via Partner Portal. Here's a tip. Under Cataloging Management, you will find an option for image and model approval, which will direct you to a Google form to take the approval. Hope this video is useful to you to understand the entire process. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. See you soon.